I'm Natalie, and I live in downtown Toronto with my husband in 755 square feet, and we even have a dog. This is how I decided to customize a rental unit to make it my own. So the number one tip for me would be to always paint. So in this space, I started with a gradient. So I started with the lightest color and moved towards the darkest color the closer I got to the windows to make it feel more open and airy and to transition it all the way through. The worst thing about condos that I think definitely make you feel like you're in a condo is those awful plastic louvers. Window coverings are one of the most important design details for any space. It's a perfect way to add texture. You could be bold or you could be very neutral, and it's transitional and something you can take with you wherever you go. So storage is a big thing. I believe that you should have something that looks great but can also serve a great purpose. The way that I could add storage to my own bedroom but not have it look like storage is to add 2 PAX wardrobes on either side and then customize the face and also the hardware. So it doesn't need to look like a big box piece of furniture, but at least inside and for the price, I mean, you can't really beat it. Unfortunately, I couldn't put beautiful side tables and 2 side table lamps, so I decided to put a picture ledge on the bottom of my cabinet. Sometimes that's a little bit sparing, but it actually works out really well, perfect for a glass of water or your glasses or even to charge your phone. Anything that you can do to add storage, I always encourage, regardless of how big of a home you have, and especially if you're living in a smaller space. So nothing in my space is actually condo size. Businesses get you that way because they actually charge you more. So I decided to design things and customize things that would fit in any space regardless of the size it was. So when we do buy a house, I can take everything with me. Another tip that I have is to customize big box furniture. So the frame color being different from the doors, adding hardware, adding trim and detail is another way that you can spend very little money but have something that would be custom. Also, don't forget about your outdoor space. If you have the luxury of a couple square feet outside, then make sure you use it. Cover up that awful concrete, plant some plants, put some seating, and enjoy a glass of wine on your patio looking at the wonderful city. I really believe that you have better quality of life if you love the spaces that you're in. So treat a rental like your home. Make it a commitment. Decide that this is where you're gonna live. Decide that you are going to entertain, put art in the walls, buy rugs, change up your pillows, make it comfortable and cozy, and I guarantee you won't regret it.